These smoky Portobello Mushroom Tacos are one of our favorite easy weeknight dinners. The chipotle mushroom filling cooks in just about 10 minutes, and you can customize these tacos with any toppings you'd like. These flavor-packed, vegan, and gluten-free tacos will even win over your friends and family. To make this recipe, start by slicing portobello mushrooms. Sauté them in oil until slightly browned. Then add cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Stir to mix. Then add chipotle pepper and some adobo sauce from the can. Cook for a couple minutes for the flavors to meld. Then stir in fresh lime juice and remove from the heat. We love to pair the smoky mushroom filling with citrusy kale, which is quite simply just kale rubbed with a bit of oil and fresh lime juice. It pairs really well with the spiced mushrooms. Set out your favorite toppings, then assemble your tacos at the table. My go-to is a hefty serving of creamy guacamole topped with smoky mushrooms, kale, quick pickled red onions, and cilantro. Hope you enjoy!